working all my life, you know. Only God knows, only God knows, only God knows.
Hey loves, in today's video I'll be doing a detailed full sew-in from back in the days. We're using hair from back in the days. I'm using Yaki straight hair. I like the fact that the hair can blend. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. And I was just shooting the end of the video, so I said, okay, let me do the intro. Saying how I actually shock myself when I do these videos because how flat and how like natural my sew-ins always turned out. I guess as I got older, I just don't like too much prancing. I think when you do too much, it just I don't know. I just think clean and natural is me, at least at this age. Okay, so yeah, it came out super flat. It's gorgeous. I absolutely love my hair. Again, like I was saying, I am so shocked at how neat and flat my sew-ins are.
Hey loves, in today's video I will be finishing off the sew-in with the Yaki straight hair, but first we're going to get into a bit of leave out coloring. I'm going to color my leave out, and then I'm going to continue to finish sewing in the last two tracks. I did it this way because I didn't want to wet any of my tracks, but it's just easier for me. So I'm going to go in and color it, finish the leave out tracks, and then in the end, I'm sure if you watched the last video, if you didn't, go back. I have a whole playlist on how to do a detail versatile sew-in. This is a half versatile sew-in.
Shooters and I bang, bang. At the snap of my fingers, I'm flying rolls. And I'm still on your head, cornrows. They call me the captain, the catwalk assassin. When they know what's snapping, then here come the yapping. All of this snitching and all of this bitching. Just a fishing expedition, dumb ambition in the kitchen. Cooking up them chickens, extra leg, but I ain't even trying to kick it. Country, petty, petty, petty. All the same to me, plain Jane spaghetti. No sauce, no sauce. Too soft, too soft. They salty, they shooting like curry. One hand on my holster, then pass it to Hover. Thought it was sweet when they was walking in the back door of the kitchen. Past the dirty dishes, now we on the mission. Try to turn me to the opposition. I'm appalled by the proposition. I've been played by the plagiaristic. Ain't gonna get no cloud addiction. My attention. I ain't no regular singer. Now come get everything you pay.
If this world were mine, I would place at your feet all that I own. You've been so good to me. If this world were mine, I'd give you the flowers, the birds and the bees.
After coloring, washing it out, and blow drying, I'm going to go in and close up this sew-in. I used all of the 2 packs. I think it was just a tiny piece left, and I believe I used that too. And once I'm done sewing this up, I'm going to go in and bump it out and press it out so that it can blend. So if you're interested, stay tuned to the end. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I am completely done. This is the last piece from the 2 packs. I do have one more pack left. I may go in later on and add more hair. It just depends on how I feel. But it is so flat. I am done. I'm so happy in this clip. It's not showing, but I'm just making sure everything is neat before I get into cutting my thread and starting blending this in with my hair. But again, it's super neat, and I am completely done. I always go in to see if I need to add more tracks, especially in the front, because to me, the front always feel like it can use more. But as of right now, I'm satisfied, and I'm going to get into this blending my hair in with this Yaki straight hair process. After pressing out just a small portion, I was just doing a check on the hair because, like I was telling you in the last video, the hair looked like braiding pack hair. You know, at first I've colored this hair, I've washed this hair, gave me no issues, but once I pressed it and I seen how beautiful and silky and vibrant it looked, I was like, okay, I don't know what they're doing with this hair, but other than shedding, because it does shed, I can't lie, it just blends perfectly. It's so soft, it's so pretty, and how it looked versus not being pressed, it might be like a little jump scare, but once it gets pressed, it is super gorgeous, and I'm obsessed. After pressing this section, I just want to go in and see if the hair was going to fall properly. Can I do multiple things with it? Again, this is a half versatile. I didn't do the back of my hair because I'm trying to give my hair a break. I miss my hair being thicker in the front. What I did notice is that my hair isn't as dark as I want it to be, my leave out that is. So I may be going back in and coloring my leave out, and also doing a deep conditioning on it, because again, from the heat, I just want to make sure I'm taking care of my leave out at the same time. But here I'm just flipping it backwards, forward, seeing if I could wear it straight down, push back behind my ear, and it passed all the tests, and so I am satisfied. Other than maybe next week I'll go back in and I guess I'll shoot that video as well of me just coloring my leave out, maybe getting under the dryer and leaving it on a little longer. That's the only thing. I just want my leave out to be darker so I can blend with the hair more.
So that's the hair. This is going to be the spring go-to hair look. Yeah, just really neat and easy early morning hair. I'm so glad I went with Yaki straight hair, because again, it blends in perfectly with my hair. I haven't put any oils in it because I do like how lightweight it feels. That's probably all it needs now, is just me to put a little bit of oil in my hair. I feel like I should have rinsed my hair blue-black so it could have been darker. But other than that, it looks amazing. So I'm not gonna like stress. We are gonna do a few things with this hair. I'm just not gonna rush it. I'm gonna wear it carefree for a while, and then I'll do something else with it. but it came out perfect. It's like one of the flattest sew-ins that I've done. My part goes all the way back. It's so flat, like literally look, that's the actual track right there, and you can barely see it. So it literally, I can put like one piece of hair over it and it will literally cover that entire track. Again, it's a super flat. I'm just gonna comb it down how I would dress it up because I'm not ready to do all that right now. I'll come back and do that. You know, I like my hair to like marinate. I do like 2-day hair. I never really care for first day hair, especially when I do it, because like literally I need to like live in it a little bit, but I kind of like when I press that, but I don't want to keep putting this heat on my hair. But yeah, just so it can like fall this way. So I kind of bumped it the other way. So yeah, it came out really, really cute, really pretty. It's 2 packs only. I just can't put 3 packs of hair in my head. It's hot. It's heavy. When I do that, I probably could have put it in there without it being heavy, but I just like it's so full at the same time. Like it's super full. I don't know what the back looks like. I'll probably look at it in a minute, but I really just want to comb it out. Use a bigger tooth comb. It's like how I like to wear my hair. I kind of like to wear my hair going back. This just looks so freaking natural. Like, look how cute. Look how cute, how tiny, how cute that is. Like, really, really cute, really, really tiny. I like to wear my hair behind my ears. It's just so... I shot myself. Y'all have to understand that. I watched myself do this a million times. So yeah, guys, I will be doing more things with this hair. I'm actually in love with this hair. Like, if I can just take this hair and like put my clip in it and just have like a carefree look. I don't never like when the clip is really tight in my hair. I don't like when nothing is really tight, but I just like the fact that I can do carefree looks. Like, I can just get up and go. And who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me? Nobody's gonna check me, okay? So I do love that for myself. I just want my hair to be carefree because I have a lot going on. Yeah, I love the way this hair turned out. If you are interested in this hair, let me know. And yeah, I love it. I love the way it turned out. I think it's just effortless hair, and that's what I need because where I stay at, it's like 1,000,000 degrees outside most of the time. So I need for my hair to be like easy, ready to go hair.